its signature red box, but we'll come to that later because that's part of the branding. Let's start with the historical perspective. It was founded in 1857 in Paris, and it evolved into a symbol of luxury, and it's renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship and an illustrious heritage. The brand has consistently been at the forefront of luxury jewelry and the watch market together, and it boasts of a clientele which comprises of royalty as well as celebrities. Now, Cartier is one of the very few brands that is known equally for jewelry as well as for watches. We'll come back to this point in the latter half of the video. Continuing with the historical perspective, now Cartier started as a very modest jewelry workshop, and it gained rapid prominence through innovation, distinctive designs, and superior quality. Now, through generations, the company expanded internationally, established a significant presence in London, New York, and other global locations. Louis Cartier introduced the concept of platinum jewelry, and it marked the beginning of a legacy of innovation for Cartier. Also, within the historical concept, we have to understand why Cartier is what Cartier is today. It's because of royal endorsements, such as those from King Edward, which enhanced Cartier's reputation, its branding, and it became known as the jeweler of the kings. However, the company did face financial challenges, and by the mid 20th century, it led to its sale in 1972, after which it did continue to thrive, and it culminated in its acquisition by Richemont in 1997. Cartier is known for both its jewelry as well as watches, but if we have to divide the divisions, we can divide it between the jewelry divisions, the watch division, the accessories and fragrances, and the high jewelry division, which basically specializes in bespoke pieces featuring rare gemstones, and it caters to an exclusive clientele. Let's start with the Cartier symbolic red box. A very key emblem for Cartier is the brand's appeal in terms of Cartier's iconic red box. The distinctive packaging has become synonymous with high-end jewelry, making it a coveted item in every household. The presence of Cartier's red box signifies more than just a product. It represents a storied tradition of luxury, heritage, and exclusivity. Continuing with the distinctive branding from the red box itself, the brand has successfully cultivated a very unique identity with iconic designs like that of the Cartier Love bracelet. This distinctive branding makes Cartier instantly recognizable and synonymous with an excellence.